Welcome everybody, welcome to another video. We are reviewing a Jurassic World truck and it's called the Gyrosphere Blast Vehicle. Now, and we also have a Jurassic World guard figure. So let's start opening.
Let me do it.
Open that one. Hi guys, we finally got this open, and there's some bad features about. Be quiet. We got some bad features about this. The bad features, like when you put this in, it goes in. Wait a few minutes. Wait a few minutes. Wait.
Okay,
and then wait.
It needs to be popped
in. And then you gotta wait a few minutes, and then pop out without us even.
Yeah, and the guy doesn't come with the truck.
Yeah, so this guy, and all the terror, but the ball and this are together, and my brother is gonna, and I'm gonna show you. You see these little bumps? If you do, then you can put on the guy on those bumps and put it on. There we go. He's on in the pterodactyl. Could be in here knocked out. And then my brother can put that anywhere. Put that
up here.
Okay, he wants to put, no, it's gonna fall in. Put that right here. So we're driving it.
Eat it.
We're driving.
Can I drive it? I want to drive
I'm gonna let my brother drive it since it's his.
Oh no, the guy.
Okay, we got it.
Slide.
We got this. We got it. And
oh no! The pterodactyl escaped.
Oh, nice. Oh, and guys, if you didn't know, I just found this gun that's on the side of the guy.
You can't take it off.
Yeah, I know, but look, you can go like that. And snap
off. Oh, no, that's to escape.
Okay, we snapped it on. You can snap it on, you can snap it off.
Boing, boing, boing.
And then, here's the guy.
Boingy, boingy.
Now, my brother's just doing some crazy stuff, but the T-Rex. Now, I can't remember what happened, but when you push this down, or is it when you push it? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, now I know.
Bottom.
You pick this up. There's this little trigger right here. Just push it.
It eats.
Now, bye everyone. I hope you'll see another video of us. Bye.
Get it on the bag. Get it on the bag.
Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave in the comments what you really want us to do next. Bye.
Bye.